Now here's a very rare, desirable car. This 1968 Pontiac Firebird is a genuine 400 Flambeau Burgundy with the ivory interior and a 4-speed. That's a very rare combination. It's documented by Pontiac Historical Services. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment and 80 pictures and full description. And we have the financing, insurance, all that's on our website, including for this car. And plenty of ways to contact us as well. Salesmen can help answer your questions and walk you through it. There's a QR code on the screen. You can scan at any time and it'll bring you directly to this car. Or there's a link in the description. They'll do the same. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the colors had a lot to do with me purchasing this car. Of course, being a 400 convertible is real nice, and the 4-speed, I guess it's the whole package. So this is different than any others that you compare to. The hood is awesome. It's got the 400 scoops on it, and it's all straight, and it all fits nice, all square and lined up real nicely. All straight. I don't see any waves or ripples. It's all nice, clean, right down to the bottom. It is smooth. No door dings. Opens very easily. The jambs are painted nice, nice and solid, no rattles. The quarter panel is just as nice as the rest of it, even right behind the tire, all shiny, straight. This is all smooth and shiny in through here. The trunk lid corners are nice, fits real nice. Tail panel's real nice. There's a hairline crack right here, about 3/4 of an inch long. That's where the seam is at, and it's a typical spot in a convertible, but it's very minor. Look at behind the tire, glass finish. The molding fits the body very nicely, all smooth down here along the bottom. Door opens easily. Here's a little crack in the paint right there on top, a little hairline crack. All smooth, straight. You know, most people aren't going to tell you about that stuff. I know they don't tell me when I'm buying the car. All this is clean, straight. Has the hood tachometer. You'll see it from in the driver there. And again, Flambeau Burgundy metallic, beautiful color. Has real tiny metallic. It's all laid out evenly, and the entire car is polished smooth and glossy. Front bumper is a nice 7 out of 10. The grille looks real good. Everything fits nice. Everything's tidy there. The Firebird 400, I guess you could say it's the equivalent of the Camaro SS396. So this is Pontiac's version of that. The windshield is crystal clear. That must be replaced. The weather strips were replaced. A little bit of chrome is shiny everywhere. The moldings are real nice. It's a convertible white top. Pictures on our website showing it up. It's in excellent shape. The arrowhead marker lights, I always thought that was a neat touch. They're real nice. The 400 and the Pontiac emblems, all real nice. This bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. It looks like a 10. Now the wheels, also very nice. They look immaculate, so they might be reproduction or 14-inch Rally 2 wheels. Even as the Pontiac lug nuts, the correct centers, the trim rings are real nice. And they're all wearing reproduction wide oval Firestone tires that would have been on there originally. Let's open it up. I got some more fun stuff to show you. All right, let's see what it looks like inside the trunk. That's painted nicely. They did do a really nice paint job on this car. The jam all looks good. Weather strip replaced. Inside's all clean metal with the nice gray spatter finish. Has the counterbalancer weights that convertibles come with. It has the rubber mat, collapsible spare, new well liner. Now, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. That nice paint continues into the jambs. The bottom of the doors look clean. Interior is very good. At some point, the door panels and armrests, they were replaced. They look very nice. There's a little bit of a pearl sheen to it. This is all very good original. Looks like maybe this bezel was replaced, but the knobs and instrument panel, all clean original. The dash pad looks real nice. I don't see any cracks. This whole area looks very nice and clean. Light works, panels all good original. Does have nice carpets with embroidered mat. So there's a plug here. Must have been something mounted there at one time. I think they had an optional clock or something. 4-speed Hurst shifter. Good original console. Nice upholstery. Seat backs were replaced. Original seat belts, complete set. And all this has been reupholstered wall to wall as well when they restored the car. Good visors, the mirror looks new. Original steering wheel. This light color interior is nice in a convertible. It makes a huge difference. You sit on some black seats in the summer, top down, and you'll burn yourself. So it looks cool, and it is cool. So that's the original 400 engine, making 325 horsepower, just like the GTO motor. And it's all stock, all the right codes and everything, stock manifolds, stock air cleaner on top, dual snorkel, correct chromed valve covers. Firewall looks nice and clean, the hinges are clean, the inner fender looks clean. Spring clamp battery cables. Everything up front here is nice, clean, painted metal. Looks like the shroud's been replaced. The alternator looks fresh. We do have power steering. And we got power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. Squirters are hooked up. The cowl tag is still in place. And then we have hood insulation under the hood. Now Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, how fun it is shifting those gears with the top down. See you in a few minutes.
Boy, we are lucky. This is the first car that we're driving today. And it's a real nice one. Such a treat to have the top down. What a cool experience. Feeling good so far. Downshift into third, nice. And yeah. Started right up for me. Feels nice. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and we're doing 60 miles an hour. Just like that. Real nice cruiser. Really good time to throw the 4-speed around as usual. And one of my favorite things of all time, options on a car anyway, is the hood mounted tachometer. So we have that here. Lots of fun to look at. And yeah, just a really fun car. Really well rounded. Somebody's gonna have a great time here. A couple more downshifts, and if you want to come test drive it yourself, you're always welcome to do so. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath of this car is very clean, well serviced, well sorted, steering and suspensions all working properly and looks good. It does have a nice, correct new dual exhaust system with the transverse muffler. It's duals that go into a sideways muffler and then back to duals again. The fuel tank was replaced. This has disc brakes in front, drum and back. E-brake is all hooked up. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. The Muncie 4-speed's clean. In back, it has 336 posi gears. The floors have been restored. They're nice metal. So we've got a very nice looking 400 here. If you don't want to park next to all the Camaros, you can have something a little different, equally as good or better, most people will say. Great colors, 4-speed convertible. You can go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Firebird delivered home. Thanks for watching.